Yeah, Mooer. This is Moo. Moo makes weird sounds and flicks his head. Moo has some problems. They're not oral, they're mental. Yeah, no, you need so much help. We need a kitty shrink. Would you eat them? Would you eat your therapist? I don't think we can get Moo a therapist. I think he'd eat them. Yeah, you get medicine in. Yeah. I wonder why. You chew right in your sister's face. That's so pathetic. Can you guys believe him? He's not. Oh, there's the chewing. Oh, good one, Moo. Daisy hasn't hit him yet. I'm surprised. Yeah, you weep. Man. Okay, you guys. Fight the refrigerator. Nice. Good job, Mo. Daisy just eats normally. It's VacMoo 2025 edition. You can buy, but you can't sell. Now, the riots might be getting out of hand from the 2024 VacMoo recall, but there's nothing to worry about. I think. Back to you guys.